I can't find a way to describe it. It's here inside of my heart.
Hi gorgeous, welcome to my channel. I create content around natural hairstyles, product reviews and much more. Kindly subscribe and like this video. Thank you.
My past comes right back to you. Safest
Prior
inside
to styling, I've washed and detangled my hair, but I just like to lightly spray it with diluted leave-in conditioner and use my Shiny Organics hair cream to seal in the moisture.
long as I'm with you anywhere. Just wanna be right here, yeah, me and you. Whatever we wanna do. 'Cause you're my twin flame. Nobody knows me this way. 'Cause you're my twin flame. No matter what they say, no matter what they say. Others say we're soulmates. Don't care whatever this is called. You play my love song like nobody did.
This is where the magic begins. I use the Shiny Organics Lead to Perfection Edge Control to clean my parts.
My past comes right back to you. Safest inside both of your arms. 'Cause this is what it feels like to be in love. Feel the wind blowing through my
Now the objective is to install small flat twists that will lay real flat under my wig. So I plan to have 16 sections in total, 8 on each side. I achieved 16 sections by first dividing my hair into two main parts and then taking one side. I just keep splitting it in half until I get the size of twist that I desire.
Everything you've ever told me couldn't be better. I wanna be by your side. I know that, I know that, I know that all your love and your love and your love makes me fall. Some people never get to find the one who came for the ride.
So here are some reasons why I feel flat twists are the best protective style for you, especially if you have fine strands like me and want to retain as much length as you possibly can. First of all, it's impossible for flat twists to be too tight. Seriously, no matter how small the section is, no matter how firm your grip is, flat twists aren't as stiff as cornrows. Your strands will always have room to breathe.
I wish the pain would stay away just for the night.
Also, taking them out is a lot more forgiving than braided cornrows. Usually, protective style is made or marred by the installation or takedown process, and flat twists are much easier to install and take down than braided cornrows. Or is it just me? I mean, if you can do both braids and flat twists, which will you say is easier for you to install and take out? Please let me know in the comments below. On the other hand, if you don't know how to install flat twists, you clicked on the right video because I recorded this whole side just for you. Some clips are slow while some are faster, but I believe these 8 braids are enough to give you an idea of the finger movements involved and the technique you'll need to install flat twists.
I can't believe that I'm the one. Wish I could hold on to.
To be honest, I don't trust myself to properly explain what I'm doing, so I'll just let you watch. Enjoy.
Feel the wind blowing through my tangled hair, and jump, you were bad news. Eating up my time, leave my mind in the woods. But now you see the face under the red hood. And you cry, now you cry, yeah you cry, yeah you cry, whoa. Oh, you thought I was a little sheep, yeah, yeah. Never noticed how I hit my teeth. Now there ain't nobody that'll hear you. If you cry, if you cry, if you cry, if you cry, whoa. Once upon a time, I was let aside. Make peace with the feelings until I realized little heroines never get a win. So I had to grow up and grow some thick skin. Now my eyes ain't ballin', only ballin' for the big moves. I can hear you calling, tell me who you gonna cry to. Zip it, baby you're trippin', trippin'. Better remember you're the one who made me wicked, wicked. You're running, running, I'm coming, coming. I'm finally taking back what's mine. They won't believe it, you'll never see it when I get you in the night. Knew it from the jump, you were bad news. Eating up my time, leave my mind in the woods. But now you see the face under the red hood. And you cry, now you cry, yeah you cry, yeah you cry, whoa. Oh, you thought I was a little sheep, yeah, yeah. Never noticed how I hit my teeth. Now there ain't nobody that'll hear you. If you cry, if you cry, if you cry, if you cry, whoa. Talking that talk, blah, 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 blah. When you give me that toxic, I go off, you can come selfish. Hella hellish, what you really meant to say is I'm a bad bitch. She's gone, the girl would ever care if you hate me. You did you dirty, underestimated me. Zip it, baby you're trippin', trippin'. Better remember you're the one who made me wicked, wicked. Get ready, ready, I'm coming, coming. I'm finally taking back what's mine. They won't believe it, you'll never see it when I get you in the night. Knew it from the jump, you were bad news. Eating up my time, leave my mind in the woods. But now you see the face under the red hood. And you cry, now you cry, yeah you cry, yeah you cry, whoa. Oh, you thought I was a little sheep, yeah, yeah. Never noticed how I hit my teeth. Now there ain't nobody that'll hear you. If you cry, if you cry, if you cry, if you cry, whoa. Go and cry, wolf, wolf. Go and cry, it's a shame now I'm harder. But like you said, the world is cruel. Don't pretend you're a martyr. When you cry, when you cry, wolf. Knew it from the jump, you were bad news. Eating up my time, leave my mind in the woods. But now you see the face under the red hood. And you cry, now you cry, yeah you cry, yeah you cry, whoa. Oh, you thought I was a little sheep, yeah, yeah. Never noticed how I hit my teeth. Now there ain't nobody that'll hear you. If you cry, if you cry, if you cry, if you cry, whoa. Once upon a time, I was let aside. Make peace with the feelings until I realized little heroines never get a win. So I had to grow up and grow some thick skin. Now my eyes ain't ballin', only ballin' for the big moves. I can hear you calling, tell me who you gonna cry to. Zip it, baby you're trippin', trippin'. Better remember you're the one who made me wicked, wicked. You're running, running, I'm coming, coming. I'm finally taking back what's mine. They won't believe it, you'll never see it when I get you in the night. Knew it from the jump, you were bad news. Eating up my time, leave my mind in the woods. But now you see the face under the red hood. And you cry, now you cry, yeah you cry, yeah you cry, whoa. Oh, you thought I was a little sheep, yeah, yeah. Never noticed how I hit my teeth. Now there ain't nobody that'll hear you. If you cry, if you cry, if you cry, if you cry, whoa. Talking that talk, blah, 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 blah. When you give me that toxic, I go off, you can come selfish. Hella hellish, what you really meant to say is I'm a bad bitch. She's gone, the girl would ever care if you hate me, hate me, hate me. No, you didn't mean to make an enemy, but you did you dirty, underestimated me. Zip it, baby you're trippin', trippin'. Better remember you're the one who made me wicked, wicked. Get ready, ready, I'm coming, coming. I'm finally taking back what's mine. They won't believe it, you'll never see it when I get you in the night. Knew it from the jump, you were bad news. Eating up my time, leave my mind in the woods. But now you see the the pain would stay away just for the night. We'll be alright. Wish I could hold on to you. All of my past comes right back to you. Safest inside both of your arms. Guess this is what it feels like to be in love. Feel the wind blowing through my tangled hair. As long as I'm with you anywhere. Just wanna be right here, yeah, me and you. Whatever we wanna do. 'Cause you're my twin flame. Nobody knows me this way. 'Cause you're my twin flame. No matter what they say, no matter what they say. Others say we're soulmates. Don't care whatever this is called. You play my love song like nobody does. I can't believe that I'm the one. Wish I could hold on to you. All of my past comes right back to you. Safest inside both of your arms. Guess this is what it feels like to be in love. Feel the wind blowing through my tangled hair. As long as I'm with you anywhere. Just wanna be right here, yeah, me and you. Whatever we wanna do. 'Cause you're my twin flame. Nobody knows me this way. 'Cause you're my twin flame. No matter what they say, no matter what they say. I know that all your love and your love and your love makes me fall. Everything you've ever told me couldn't be better. I wanna be by your side. Ooh. I know that all your love and your love and your love makes me fall. Some people never get to find the one who came for the rest of their lives. 'Cause you're my
And the final results, look at that.
nobody knows me this way. 'Cause you're my twin flame.
I know my parts are not the best at the back, but you get the point. Your wig will lay flat, no problem. Zero tension on your scalp, zero tension on your edges. A protective style that actually protects, trust me.
Knew it from the jump, you were bad news.
I'm using the edge control to slick back my edges. Very optional, you don't have to do this.
Now you cry, yeah, you cry, yeah, you cry.
If you've watched to this point, you're a real one. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you found this educational or relaxing. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Also, check out this video right here. Thank you.